What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has been performing a little bit surprising. It has pumped up about 13% in the last 24 hours when the crypto market is literally crashing, guys, with Bitcoin dropping below $40,000, which is not looking too great. So we're going to be looking at what is next for AMP. Is it going to crash back down just like the market is right now, or is it going to go the opposite direction and pump up in value like it is right now? And essentially covering its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. What can we expect from AMP? And also with the current crash, what is the best thing to do? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it before it crashes back down? Or is it simply to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and it is looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. The reason is looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, is due to the fact that it has taken a little bit of a dip over the last couple of hours. So the graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep dropping in that direction over the next couple of hours. However, that is not the case, guys. What I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours is for the crypto to take a little bit of an increase in value, potentially pumping up to just over 0.004 cents in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, you guys have clearly seen how the crypto market has been performing over the last couple of hours, so do expect it to be quite shaky and a little bit volatile as well. But an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially by midday tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. We do have the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for AMP? Well, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected according to the graph. However, from the analysis and predictions I have done, I'm expecting AMP to go for an overall drop in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting AMP to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, the crypto market is crashing right now, as you guys can see now live. Bitcoin has dropped below $40,000, which is not great, but AMP is likely to follow a similar pattern over the coming days, and it is likely to crash back down potentially to below 0.0032 cents. Below that price range is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week as well. So do expect more red days over the coming days for the crypto. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit more bullish. We've got the blue and the orange line looking positive, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting AMP to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be pumping up in the positive direction, with Bitcoin heading over $50,000 by March, April. Again, I did predict the crypto market to go for a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a price correction before it pumps back up, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So this is personally normal. It is going for a price correction, but it should start to recover over the coming week or two and then potentially head back up in value, and that is exactly what I'm expecting from AMP as well, dropping back down in value and then slowly gaining value again towards early Feb, March and April, heading up to around 0.007 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of this quarter and April as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. We are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to head up to the resistance target here, which is just about the 1 cent target, which it should be able to hit in the second half of the year. But again, if there are any updates on that, that can have a potential impact on the value of AMP, either in a positive or negative direction. I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and bring out the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up by an insane percentage, guys, over 420%, making it $99 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading volume. It is one of the few cryptos that is pumping right now, so of course it is going to get a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it. So that is exactly what's happening, and in return the value of the crypto is also pumping. But again, if you are investing into AMP right now, I would say be careful and make sure your risk management is on point, as I am expecting it to go for a price correction or a little bit of a dip over the coming days. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Comment down below what your expectations are, your predictions are, and what are your opinions on the current crypto crash that is currently taking place, guys. Are you guys expecting it to recover anytime soon? Are you guys expecting it to crash further? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, if you guys have any other questions around AMP or any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys and cover those cryptocurrencies. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.